Hey guys, it's Joyce from the Joyce Collective. I hope you're all doing very well, especially during this time when most of us are staying back home, working from home, or schooling from home, and we're all in this together to fight the virus. So today I thought I would share with you 50 things you can do at home if you're feeling bored or uninspired. So if you're ready, we're gonna get right into it.
The first thing I would recommend is to do a deep clean on your house because you never know what nasty bacteria may be lingering around. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies like your door, switches, bathroom, and of course make sure to vacuum. Next, I like to call this Marie Kondo your house. Basically, use this time to sort all the things lying around the house like your books, old documents, clothing, and categorize them so you can find them easily in the future. Of course, you can binge watch on your favorite TV shows and movies, or meditate with calm music. Do some Pilates or home workouts, and I like to follow routines on YouTube or the free Go app by ClassPass. Take time to journal and reflect. Do a wellness day at home with a face mask. Turn on a diffuser with essential oils and just relax. Light up your favorite candle. Pick up a new hobby. This could be sewing, crochet, writing, or cooking. Speaking of cooking, try some new recipes. I recently discovered this recipe app by Kitchen Stories and have been using it a lot, and I love it. Rearrange your furniture to create a new atmosphere and space. You'd be surprised how different your space could look. Take care of the plants that may have been neglected. Learn a new language with apps like Babbel or using Duolingo. I personally love Duolingo. Call an old friend or relative to stay connected. Update your resume. Do some drawing or coloring. Listen to new podcasts. My personal favorites include Women Who Travel, Girl Boss Radio, and Goop. Make some New Year or month resolutions. It's never too late to dream big and make some goals. Bake something. Propagate your plants. Some easy plants to start with include basils or pothos. Do a grocery shopping list. Clean your window, because I know I don't clean mine often enough. Make some time-lapse videos. This can be makeup, cooking, styling, cleaning up. It will be super satisfying to watch back afterwards, I promise. Wash your makeup brush. Have some afternoon tea and just relax for the afternoon. Play crossword or Sudoku. Set up a budget. Take a nap. Do your taxes or tax claims, and you can easily do this through apps. Write a letter to your future self. I wrote mine specifically to my future self in 5 years, but it's up to you whenever you want to address yourself. Draw something from a YouTube video. Make a meal plan. Print some photos to frame and put up. Donate to a cause or charity you feel deeply for. This could be for child education, environmental, or your church. Back up your phone and computer. Now's the time to really do this if you don't have anything better to do. Practice gratitude using the 5-minute journal or the Grateful app. Clean your phone, computer, keyboard, everything you basically touch with your fingers. Drink some more water and stay hydrated. Reorganize your kitchen or pantry. Reorganize apps and photos on your phone, like deleting multiple photos you might not need anymore on your phone. Read that book. And yes, that's me trying to read a German novel. Sleep in. Learn a new skill like Photoshop, Lightroom, or video editing. Improve your signature. Plan your next holiday, and this doesn't have to be immediately in the future, but maybe the end of the year or for the year after. Learn a dance on YouTube. Do an online course on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Learn how to fold clothes the optimal way. Make a mind map for where you would like to see yourself in 1, 2, 5, or 10 years. And last but not least, wash your hands and don't forget to moisturize.
So I hope you found these tips helpful, and for those of you staying back home, I hope you're staying healthy, active, and feeling still inspired from your home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!